Life of the Prophet.
Omar, Muhammad, come. I have brought you a wonderful present as a reward for your success at school.
Wow, a present. Thank you, Dad. Great! I have been waiting for it. Oh, it looks great. But what is this game? What are these cards, each with a different picture on it?
These are magnetic cards. When you put the magnetic card inside the machine, you will see the image magnified.
Cool! It looks like so much fun. And it gives information too. Yes, it looks very interesting.
Yes, my dear sons, this game displays the whole life of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and each card shows an incident from the Seerah, the Prophet's biography.
Wow, the whole life of the Prophet. This is great, Dad. We cannot wait to try it. Oh, the incident of the elephant.
Several miraculous incidents took place before the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was commissioned to deliver the message of Islam. One of the most important incidents that took place before the birth of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was the incident of the elephant. Abrahah al-Habashi saw the Arabs venerating the Kaaba and going on pilgrimage to it. So he built a big church in Yemen so that the Arabs would perform pilgrimage to it instead of the Kaaba. When an Arab man from Bani Kinana heard of that, he entered the church at night and relieved himself in there. When Abrahah was informed of this, he got really angry and swore to destroy the Kaaba. He gathered a large army and marched towards Mecca. There were elephants among the mounts of his army. Abrahah prepared his elephant to enter Mecca. The elephant, however, would not move towards the Kaaba. When they directed it in any direction, the elephant obeyed and walked. But when directed towards the Kaaba, it would kneel down and refuse to budge.
Wow! As if the elephant felt the sacredness of the place.
True, Muhammad. As they were trying to make the elephant move towards the Kaaba, Allah sent Ababil birds against them, who struck Abrahah's army with stones from Sijil. The incident took place in the month of Muharram, about 50 days before the birth of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
What does Ababil birds mean, Dad?
It means flocks of birds from heaven, the likes of which were never seen before and will never be seen again. Another opinion suggests that it means flocks of birds flying successively, groups coming one after another. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam described them as follows. They were birds neither from the earth nor from the sky, but they made their homes and hatched somewhere in between.
What does Sijil mean, Dad?
It means stones made of heat-hardened clay.
What did the people of Mecca do when the stone struck them?
The people of Mecca fled to the mountains to protect themselves after Abd al-Muttalib, the grandfather of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, supplicated Allah to protect his sacred house.
How could he supplicate Allah while he was a disbeliever?
The polytheists know that Allah is the creator of the universe. They turn to him whenever hardship befalls them. However, they associate partners with him in worship. I will explain this point to you later, my dear sons.